This 2020 Starcraft Autumn Ridge 182RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Starcraft is 22 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stovetop burner, refrigerator, microwave, skylight, air conditioning, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Starcraft Autumn Ridge 182RB is 3,515 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.